Catlift Trucks, your partner in materials handling, total solutions for everyday challenge. This factory in Dalian, founded the 26th of November of 2008, was built with the belief of customer first. With a factory area of 36,000 square meters and an annual production capacity of 12,000 units, our focus relies on product quality and reputation to deliver what our customers need worldwide. Durable lift trucks that perform, helping their business and employees be more productive. To ensure this plant is equipped with the most precision production and inspection equipments in the world, advanced management skills, harmony working environment, and a highly professional, dynamic, and energized team. Our organization has a long-term partnership relationship with Caterpillar Incorporated. Caterpillar Incorporated is the world's leading manufacturer of construction and mining equipment, gas engines, and turbines. An organization that generates customer success and drives positive change globally. We share the same successful customer-focused philosophy, and the CAT branded products we produce in Dalian share the same successful DNA, which is why Catlift trucks deliver high performance and durability, even in the most arduous of applications. We think like you. Thinking like you, our customer, is a key to that success. We make sure we understand your needs, and then we deliver the best value solutions. That means minimizing management costs and cutting waste, while maintaining a product and service quality. 100% committed to you. We are totally committed to being your long-term partner right from the factory. The resources we can call upon to make quality products and help making your business successful include production area and process, part storage. Imported and domestically purchased parts are sorted and stored in here. Logistic teams get them loaded and delivered to specified locations in order to ensure efficiency in assembly lines. Parts inspection. This is the first inspection in the plant. Multi-joint 3D tester, high-speed cutter, and other advanced Japanese testing equipments are used. According to the company's inspection process and related regulations, all parts have to go through strict inspection to ensure quality consistency from the source of production. Welding area. Laser cutter, flame cutter, and cutoff machines are all controlled by automation softwares to ensure dimension accuracy and precision. Strictly trained skilled workers are using professional fixtures to increase efficiency and ensure quality of welding parts. Shot blasting. Using automatic circulation technology, oxide scale and slags in complicated welding parts are completely removed to strengthen painting quality. Painting area. Overhead conveyors are used in this automated painting plant. Processes such as skimming, cleaning, drying, primer, finish, drying, and cooling are all completed at once in this automated plant with high quality and high efficiency. Front and rear axles area. Assembling of front and rear drivers are being completed in this factory. Core parts imported from Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, Japan. Proofing of torque of each bolt at assembly and precision in the entire process are reasons of high-quality assembly. The U-shaped conveyor used also helps to reduce the time spent in entire process. Assembly lines. We use high-precision torque management system, which is used to connect and assemble multiple parts. The system is able to tighten, alert, and record automatically to ensure no missing step nor second tightening, and it controls tightening accuracy within ±5%. Automated filling system. This system using preset parameters of specified models to fill fuel, engine oil, and hydraulic oil into vehicles. Assembly line inspection. This is the second inspection in quality control system. By using automated testing and management system to test the vehicle's overall performance, human errors are prevented. Vehicles past this inspection will move to the next process, and test results will be printed and forwarded to Quality Assurance Department to provide the most strictest guarantee for each product. Inspection area. This is the final inspection in quality control system. Quality assurance teams will conduct final inspection for vehicles received from assembly lines. Comprehensive test is done for each vehicle strictly following inspection processes. OK label on the vehicle after inspection means this vehicle will deliver the best quality to customer. We have received ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management System certification, and we will continue to work on improving products' quality. Delivery area. This is where our vehicles with Cat Lift trucks, Belief and Guarantee, are loaded on trucks for delivery. Above all, the technology we put in place to deliver the best product, our commitment to you and your business, is backed up by our team of professionals. We have one thing and one thing only in mind: customer first. Cat Lift Trucks. Performance, durability, and customer service. Your partner in materials handling.